Hey, excuse me, officer. We're not allowed to park here on the county property?
No.
Since when did this start happening? Now you're being recorded.
Yesterday.
Who? Since yesterday? You're being recorded right now.
All right.
This become Banyan'S property?
What? Since yesterday, this became Banyan?
Not yesterday. That's Monday.
Oh, you were security services? Oh, okay. So where's PBSO?
PBSO, they don't need PBSO right now.
And this is this Banyan's property right here?
That's what they told me.
This is not Banyan's property.
They told me no one can park here.
Oh, okay. I understand in front of your property over there. I'd like to have your HOA president, your phone number, because I'm head of the HOA down at Palm Beach Plantation.
Right.
Thank you. And we'll get this straightened out. Ma'am, we've been parking here for years. I understand in front of Banyan, but not on county property. So this is an easement, county easement. And we've been doing this for years, so let's just get this straightened out so he doesn't have to get aggravated no more.
All right.
Yeah, if you have it.
Number is 561 339 3505.
All right, because we've been doing this for years.
And
what's your?
Is Valente.
What was your name?
Valente.
You're Valente? Nice.
No, my name is Hawk.
Oh,
my name is Officer Hawk.
all right, cool. Hey, listen, just trying to keep the peace. All right. Hey, see you, man. Hey, how are you, sir? Yeah, so you had the HOA for Banyan. Yeah, I got a security guard out here south of your property telling us we cannot park on the county easement. Where is his jurisdiction end to begin? I understand in front of your property you'll have a problem with that. So where does your property end, sir, for Banyan? My name's Jason. I park out here every day for the past 3 years picking up my kid from school. Now I got your security guard company out here on behalf of Banyan trying to tell us we can't park on the county easement anymore. Yeah, their entrance, like I thought. I understand that, sir, because I'm part of the HOA Palm Beach Plantation. I wish I lived in Banyan. I love it here. It's beautiful. He's saying in front of the entrance. Yeah. We're south of the canal, sir. South. Here, hold on. He wants you to. There you go. Tell him you're south of the canal.
Out of the canal. All right.
There you go. Cool.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. No problem.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Hey, thank you very much. All right. Hey, listen.